This video describes how to use the robot for point record. There are currently 3 ways to record points. Respectively, you can use the button box, the end button web app. First, let's look at how to record points via a button box or end button. Points recorded to both can be set according to application tool app point configuration. Here you can set the point configuration prefix. For example, a customized name or based on a program name. You can also set the upper limit of the numbering. When the upper limit is reached, recording the points again will overwrite the record from the first point again. The optional range of the numbering cap is 1 to 30. Set the name to test and the quantity to 10. Let's click on the notation button on the button box. You can observe in the bottom left corner of the page that saving the teaching point was successful. Test 1. Also notice the purple light flashing on the end of the robot. In the same way we click on the end notation button, you can see that the same test to point is recorded. Typically these two methods are used in conjunction with drag mode, and we usually use point and click to control the robot. And then the points are recorded via web app. Next, we'll look at how to control the robot via page tabs. Firstly, the first page is a Cartesian space move. We can point and move in this page according to the currently selected coordinate system. The movement method is the same, only the reference is different. This video only shows the base coordinate system. When we press and hold this button, we can control the robot to move in the positive direction of the z-axis. The maximum distance traveled by a single long press is determined by the threshold value. You can see that the maximum distance moved by the robot in a single move has changed after we modified the threshold value. We can also long move the button below, make the robot rotate around an axis to change its position. Open the single axis movement page. Here we can point according to the direction of rotation of the 6 axes of the robot. Similarly, the maximum angle of rotation in a single turn is influenced by the threshold value. Open the multi-axis page. Here we can adjust the angle of each axis at the same time. After dragging, a yellow vignette appears to indicate the position of the robot's joints. Click Apply after confirmation and the robot will move to the target location. Open the point movement page. Here we can calculate the position of the two coordinates according to our own direct input of parameters to control robot movement. After we enter the parameters, click on Calculate Joint Position first. The model can be seen to appear with a yellow vignette, while the position of the joints underneath has also changed. Click to move to the point after confirming. The robot will move to the target position. Next, we build on the above approach. Ways to record points on the page. Click on the Teach Point menu button. Here we can enter the prefix and name of the point. Click Record. Option to overwrite if names are duplicated. You can see that the bottom left corner shows that the point was saved successfully. Press and hold the Z+ button to record point 2. Press and hold the RZ+ button to record point 3. The points we have recorded can be seen here. After each point name, its Cartesian coordinates and joint angles are displayed, and the coordinate system. We can take a point, modify its location information and click Modify. Deleting points and importing and exporting point tables are also supported. That's all from the point record. Thank you.